Have you ever experienced persistent congestion behind your nose, throat irritation, or a continued cough even when you're not sick?
Do you notice a lack of breath, whether you're at rest or engaging in physical activity, or simply climbing stairs?
These symptoms often indicate compromised lung health, especially if you're a current or former smoker, or routinely exposed to secondhand smoke and other indoor or outdoor pollutants.
These concerns should not be overlooked, as they not only affect your daily comfort, but could also be early warning signs of potential lung diseases.
Lungs play a vital role in oxygen transport and the removal of carbon dioxide. Addressing these concerns is crucial for both smokers and those exposed to pollutants.
Periodic lung detox is essential for prioritizing lung health, significantly contributing to clearing the lungs of mucus and irritants,
reducing lung inflammation,
preventing lung diseases,
opening up the airways,
improving lung capacity, and ensuring overall well-being.
Hi, welcome to Mind Journey. In this journey, we will help you to detox lungs.
Control indoor air pollution. For improving indoor air quality, you have to consider regular cleaning, removing dust, using natural cleaning products, and using air purifiers. Improper indoor air quality can contribute to lung diseases and breathing problems. Air fresheners and scented candles may smell nice, but you need to be very aware that they have harsh chemicals in them, and your lungs can take a beating.
Keep the air moist. Dry air irritates the nose and throat, causing more mucus to form as a lubricant. Placing a cool mist humidifier in the bedroom can promote better sleep by keeping the nose clear, preventing a sore throat, and promoting a more comfortable overall atmosphere, especially during dry seasons.
Do steam therapy. Steam therapy is a simple yet effective way to ease respiratory discomfort. Inhaling steam from a vaporizer device or a bowl of hot water can help open airways, making it easier to breathe. It's a natural method for relieving congestion in the lungs.
Take hot showers. Time spent in a steam-filled bathroom will help to loosen and clear mucus in the nose and throat. Allowing hot water to pulse on the face can also bring relief from sinus pressure.
Breathe fresh air. Make sure you spend time outside, exercising, walking, getting your cardiovascular system up. Breathe in fresh air as long as you can, especially in nature. If you don't have fresh air where you live, then get an air purifying mask and wear it.
Herbal remedies. Certain herbs have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can support detoxing lungs. Mullein, for example, is often used to soothe respiratory issues and clear excess mucus. Eucalyptus is known for its anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties, aiding in respiratory health. Peppermint can help relax the muscles of the respiratory tract, promoting easier breathing. You can chew on just their leaves, drink as an herbal tea, or use them as a supplement or essential oil. Turmeric, licorice, and ginger also help detox your lungs.
Deep breathing exercises. Get into the habit of doing deep breathing exercises to strengthen your respiratory muscles and improve lung function and capacity. Breathe in from the nose, filling up your abdomen as your ribs expand. Try to get in the habit of not using your chest muscles. Diaphragmatic breathing and pursed lip breathing are examples.
Release mucus through coughing. Coughing is a natural defense mechanism to remove mucus from the lungs, and it is important not to suppress it. However, it's crucial to perform it in a controlled manner, to avoid harming your lungs and respiratory tract. Specific exercises, known as airway clearance techniques, ACTs, can help achieve this goal. Let's explore a couple of them.
Controlled coughing. It is often used to clear mucus, or foreign substances from the larger airways, such as the trachea and bronchi. It's most effective when done after using an inhaler or other medicine. Sit on the edge of a chair with both feet on the floor, leaning forward slightly. Breathe in slowly through your nose and fold your arms across your belly. As you exhale, lean forward and press your arms into your belly. Cough 2 or 3 times, with your mouth slightly open. Make the cough short and sharp. Spit out the mucus that rose up from your throat and into your mouth. Take a break and repeat.
Huff cough. It is typically used to move mucus from the smaller airways, such as the bronchioles. It's a more gentle technique that helps avoid the potential harm caused by forceful coughing. There's more emphasis on breath and control. Many describe it as a similar action to fogging up a mirror. Sit in a comfortable position. Inhale a bit more deeply than normal. Using your stomach muscles, blow out the air in 3 even breaths while saying ha, 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 as if blowing onto a mirror to make it steam.
Heating pad therapy. Using a heating pad on your back can provide relief by increasing circulation and relaxing intercostal muscles. This relaxation allows for easier and more efficient breathing. Consider incorporating this comforting therapy into your self-care routine.
Limit sodium and sugar intake. Sodium and sugar, often hidden in processed and packaged foods, can contribute to fluid retention, making it harder to breathe. Be vigilant about your intake, even if you don't add them to your meals. Kicking the smoking habit is the first and most crucial step to detox lungs.
Your lungs start healing once you quit. It's not just about quitting, it's about embracing a new, healthier lifestyle. Seek support from friends and family, or join a smoking cessation group for added motivation and accountability. Also, try to avoid exposure to other pollutants as much as you can.
One of the best ways to promote good lung health is to speak with a physician who can identify any respiratory issues you may have and provide a personalized care plan. Remember, our bodies are our gardens, and our wills are our gardeners. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated. And if you want to support us further, please share the video with your friends. It would help us a lot to grow this channel. Bye.